In this video, I'll show you how to delete Genshin Impact on PC. Firstly, click on the Start menu and select Settings. Click on Apps, then select Installed Apps or Apps and Features. Scroll down to the list of installed applications to find Genshin Impact. Click on the three-dot bottom and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking on Uninstall again. Wait for the uninstallation to complete, then close the window. Genshin Impact will be removed from your computer. Just note that this method may leave some residential cache and data files in your system. Or you can use a third-party uninstallation tool as iObit Uninstaller. Just uninstall the software, head to the programs you have on your PC, all the software, and then select Genshin Impact and press Uninstall, and it will be completely off your computer. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.